Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can use my glow actions which I recently uploaded. So yeah, these are the actions. They are for $0 and you can pay whatever you want. Like if you type 2 or 3 in here like and add to cart, like it will only charge $2 or $3, like whatever you want. Okay, so yeah. So I will provide this link in the description so you can download them for free if you want. Okay, so what you have to do is like make a new file. Suppose let's just write some text here like hello. Yeah, you have to do nothing. यहाँ पे actions की window है. Like if you don't see this window, then just go to window and click on actions. You will see this window, and after that you have to click on this little icon and click on load actions, from where you can load the downloaded actions. Okay, so after that you will see these two actions. So this is for like text and this is for like images. So if you have a text layer, like you have made this text layer, so what you have to do is click on this and just play it. Now you can here select the tint of the glow. Like I like kind of this subtle blue thingy, and click OK. Now you can change the noise, like how much noise you want. You can turn it into monochromatic as well. Like I just keep it between like 10 to 15. So yeah, and press OK. And also here's this message like to adjust the glow, like you can I will tell you about this. Okay, so continue. So yeah, once you are here you can change the blur amounts. Like these are just different blur layers, Gaussian blur layers, and here's the glow tint layer as well. If you don't want it, you can remove it, like hide it, or if you want to edit again, you can just go here and edit it again. You can change the noise as well afterwards. Also, if you feel like the glow is like too much or too less, you can just double click on this Gaussian blur layer and change it to like suppose 70. Yeah, so you can double click all the layers and change the glows, right? So yeah, this is basically it. And the other one is a different action. I will show that as well. Okay, so I have loaded this image into Photoshop and I have my action selected. Make sure your image is not a smart object. Just select the action and click play. Now you have to select the amount of glow that you need, like bloom that you need. I think this is fine. Then just press OK. Now what you have to do is just select this layer mask and use the brush with white color and paint on the areas that you need glow in. Yeah, that's it. Also you can adjust the curves to increase or decrease the glow, right? Okay, so you can see the difference here. Alright, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. I have been making more videos recently, so yeah. Okay, bye.